Okay, quickly, what is it? Who can tell me what it is? I'll zoom back a little bit. Getting any clues? Zoom back some more. Still any clues? There's something that goes with it, and that spring goes with it. Well, it's the inside of the flushing unit in your toilet. It sits in the cistern. And this is what happens sometimes when they break. The plastic breaks, and somehow, I don't know how the heck I did this, but I happen to have a spare, which I hope is the right kind. This one doesn't have any holes on it. It has a little clip. Where'd the clip go? There it is. Take the clip, put that over that, push it all down nicely, put the spring back on it, shove it back in this hole somehow without messing up the spring, push it up, then you just got to get your lever pin on there